Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can put an appraisal order on hold before the inspection. So, as you can see, we are currently logged in as a user Thomas, who's an appraiser, and we are on the appraiser orders in this page. Here you can see that this appraisal order has been assigned to Thomas and has been accepted, is in progress, and there's inspection scheduling is needed. So if I click on this and move to this detailed page of it, I can move to this inspection and I can create an inspection appointment, and I can put this appraisal order on hold. I have to require a reason to put it on hold, and it should be a valid reason, and then it will be reviewed by the ops admin. It needs the appraisal order to be on hold, or it needs to be resumed, or whatever the action would be. So as you see that it went on hold and you can't perform any activities unless it has been resolved by the ops admin. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.